The Academic Staff Union of Universities, Asuu, embarked on a month-running strike in February 2022. After negotiations with the federal government of Nigeria, which did not result in a positive agreement, the union again embarked on an 8-week continuation of the strike. This current situation has led to an uproar by citizens, especially students of these federal universities and other state universities under the union. Segun Oni, a governorship aspirant on the platform of the Social Democratic Party (SDP) in Ekiti State, when interviewed by Puff TV, aired his opinion on the strike.
My reaction is just to appeal to them, to know that this touches the life of young people. Human beings are most productive in their younger days. More than 75% of Nobel Prize winners did the work that earned them the Nobel between their 20s and 30s.
Therefore, the federal government should not let these years of vigor and productivity go to waste.
These people are in the most productive sector of their lives. Please let us reduce the amount of waste. Government is not doing the right thing, but let people also find a way so that we don't consume the lives of our children in waste.
Who are you appealing to at the moment?
I'm appealing to all of them. Asuu government, all of them.
You want them to step down in the agitation?
I want them to be considerate, to consider the future of those young ones. If my child enters a university for a 5-year course and he has to spend like 7 or 8, it's not good for young people at their most productive age. We want to appeal to them. Asuu, government, all of them, to consider the future of those young ones and do the right things.
The youth, their parents, guardians, lecturers, and the Nigerian populace at large hope that this regular pattern of strike by the Academic Staff Union of Universities, Asuu, finally comes to a halt.
People of the Fountain,